What's up, guys? We're doing a video for installing door visors on your 24 Integra Type F. First thing I did was wipe this down right here with just a cleaning cloth. Then I'm going to wipe it off with an alcohol swab. So this is what those little brackets look like, okay? The T20, the A is really hard to see, but A goes on the front of the car, right by the mirror, closest to the front mirror, okay? Then the B part right here, that one goes on the back side. Also, both B's are on the back end of the car. So two B's are on the back, your back doors, and A's will go on your front door by the mirror, okay? That's how you differentiate which bracket you're supposed to use. Okay, so obviously you gotta have your window down to do this, okay? I'm letting this dry real quick where I just wiped it down. I did both the front and the back to get these put in here for the bracket. So there's this little piece right here that's in here. It's kind of hard to get it out. You just gotta pull it down a little bit. And actually, if you use the back end of the bracket and pull it down just a little bit and keep it down with your thumb, and then it easily fits up in there just like that. So you'll do that on both this one, and then there'll be another one back here that we've got to grab. It's not super easy, but you just got to take your time. That way you're not scratching anything up. Okay, like I said, just up underneath there, and then you can freely move these. You can pull this down just a little bit, that little window guard for the gliding of the window, and that'll help you get those in there. Okay, go ahead, take the sticky tape off the back of this visor and get it put on here. Okay, so I took the tape off. I made it a nice even crease across the whole top of it, so you can, as you can see right there, it's all solid. You need to have the A1 labeled A here and the B labeled here on the back part. Okay, so you shove the pen through there. Make sure it's through this back part, okay, when you're doing that. Make sure it's through this back part. When you have your window down, make sure you've got it through that little hole, and there should not be any gap there. Same with this side right here. Both of those will stay. You push it from the outside in. That way it connects into that little bracket there that runs into the door sill, okay? As you can see here, it's right through that gap right there that it comes in through there, so it actually goes through the bracket. Front one done now. The back one's pretty relatively easy compared to the front one, so we'll get that done here in a second. All right, well, like I said, this part right here has tape on the back of it, so we peeled that off. On both sides right here, they have double-sided tape, okay? So you double-side tape, take all those off, and then you line your little points up again. Then you shove that little pen through there, and that right there will do your install for you. Just make sure that you match these up, that they fit. So the other way you can do this is you peel these just barely off on the edge so you still have access to them outside. Get these clipped in, right? Get them clipped in before you actually get this put on. After that, like I said, you can just peel this off, and then you can shove it down onto there where it needs to go. That way you're not having to battle the double-sided tape while you're getting these lined up. It just makes it easier. So that's what I'd recommend you to do. This is the second one I did. So I just pull these off, just off that you have access to it, and then once you get it where you want it, you can yank it off from there. That way it's not sticking. All right, so we just finished the visor install, so now you can watch it the whole way around.